Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. We are finally in 2021, which is insane. This is my first video of the year, so I wanted to get a little bit more personal with you guys. For this week's video, I am going to be giving you guys 20 facts about me and showing you guys some stuff that I bought yesterday. So that's gonna be a nice little haul. If you guys wanna know any more about me, you guys can always comment down below and I will get back to you guys ASAP. Let's go ahead and start these facts. Fact number one. I was born in Seattle, Washington. I haven't really lived in Seattle, like in downtown Seattle. And if I'm being honest, when I do go to Seattle, I always feel like a tourist getting to know places. But born in Seattle, still live in Washington. Fact number two, I am bilingual. Hablo español también. For any of you out there who speak Spanish and maybe want me to make like a Spanish tutorial, I am super down to do that. I love being Mexican. I love my culture. Fact number three. My first job was Dairy Queen. I feel like that's a lot of people's first job. I really liked it. It was fun. I got to work with my sister and I got to meet a lot of good friends. Fun experience. I was 15 at that time and it was over in South Auburn. So if you're from Washington, you know that's not the best area. I still enjoyed myself, and for a 15-year-old, I was very grateful to even have a job. For fact number four, my current job, I am a barista at the moment. I love being a barista. I've been working in the coffee industry for like 4 or 5 years now, and I love it. I love the tips. I love the interaction with customers, and it's something I actually enjoy doing while I work my way up and try to build my career. I love coffee, so I enjoy myself when I'm at work. Fact number five. I actually lived in Ohio for 8 months at one point in my life. I don't remember much about it because I was very young. I was born in Seattle, still live in Washington, but I did live in Ohio for like a period of time. Which brings me to fact number six. So I actually also lived in Mexico for 6 months when I was in 5th grade. I do remember that very vividly because I went to school there and I made friends. It was 6 months. It was very random. It wasn't supposed to happen. Very happy it did. It taught me a lot, and I was just really happy to have an experience like that, especially to get in touch with my roots and really spend time with my dad. Lived in Mexico. Crazy how the difference between Mexico and America, even though they're so close, like it's just so different. Fact number seven. I have a lot of favorite, I guess, musicians. At the moment, my favorite like musician for guy-wise is Sir. I've been very into his music. I would play you guys some music right now, but because of copyright, I can't. I just like, he's such a mood. I've been really into him the last few months and just like listening to all of his music. 3 really good songs I would recommend by him: Hair Down, Rapper Weed, and D Evils. If you guys haven't listened to those 3 songs by Sir, go do it right now because he is seriously such a vibe. Girl-wise, my favorite artist right now is Zanny Lay. I super duper like her new album, Movie. It's so good. There's so many relatable songs. But yeah, let's see, 3 really good songs by her. So Bullshit is really good. Levi High is really good. So is I Wish. And that's from the same album. Like, she has way more music, but this album was the one that really like got my attention. My favorite TV show is Friends. I can legit have Friends playing in the background no matter what I'm doing, and it's just like very comforting. I seriously know like every single episode and have bought almost all the seasons since they took it off of Netflix. I'm almost there, but I have like the first like 6 or 7 seasons and I love Friends. My favorite romantic comedy movie is Friends with Benefits with Mila Kunis and Justin Timberlake. I really like that movie. I love the New York vibes in it. Fact number 10. My favorite food is Indian food. I didn't really grow up eating Indian food that much. I grew up eating a lot of Mexican food because my mom is one of the best cooks ever and would have like homemade meals ready for me all the time growing up, which I'm very, very fortunate. Once I started dating my current boyfriend, he actually started expanding my taste buds, and he was eating so many things that I would have never ever went for before him. Once I started eating Indian food, I was like, oh my god, it's a wrap. This is so good. If you haven't had Indian food, you are seriously missing out and you need to go eat some Indian food like right now. Fact number 11. I am a middle child, so I have 2 older sisters and a younger brother and a younger sister. I'm very okay with it. I actually like it. I think growing up, my mom was always dealing with like my older sisters and then my little baby siblings, so like I was always just the one that could really do whatever she wanted and would learn a lot from both parties. So I'm very fortunate to be the middle child. I like it. Fact number 12. I went to Federal High School growing up, and I ended up going to Auburn High School around my junior year. Those are the 2 high schools I attended. For fact number 13, my hometown is Federal Way. If you're from Washington, then you should know where Federal Way is. I have a lot of love for Federal Way. I have lived there basically my whole life. I don't live there anymore. Me and my boyfriend live way up north. Yeah, my hometown is Federal Way. Very proud. Fact number 14, my favorite color is yellow. Such a bright and happy color. It's not necessarily my favorite color to like wear all the time or to like wear on makeup. I really do enjoy how happy it makes me. Fact number 15, my favorite season is fall. I love seeing all the fall colors. It's just so pleasing and beautiful. It's not too cold outside. It's like that perfect time of the year, and I just love all fall colors. That's when you have so many fall looks you can do, and you can just wear all of those nude colors. So yeah, it's definitely my favorite time of the year. Fact number 16. My birthday is October 30th. That means that I am a Scorpio. I'm not big on like horoscope signs like that. There is some things that I'm like, yeah, that's definitely me. So I don't know if that's me just because of like, as a human, we have so many similar characteristics, or if it really is just because I'm a Scorpio. I'm a Scorpio, born in the year 98. So that does make me 22. For those of you who don't know, I am 22 years old. Fact number 17. I only have 1 tattoo. I am honestly like, I love my tattoo so much. I do not regret it, not one bit. I'm very happy I finally got it done. I have only had it for like 4 or 5 months, so it's very, very new to me. But yeah, I love it. It did hurt. It's fine. I still want more. I don't really know how many more I want. I know that I do want some more ink. Fact number 18. My favorite alcohol is tequila. I love Patron. I love tequila. When it comes to like drinking out like that, I usually go towards tequila, but I also do like whiskey. Like I like Jameson. It's like a really happy drunk. If you're not 21, don't even pay attention to what I just said. But if you are 21, that's my favorite alcohol. Fact number 19. I just wanted to list a few more of my other passions, since I know you guys obviously know that I'm very into like beauty. I'm also very big on cooking, and I'm very big on music. Those are things that just bring me a lot of joy and a lot of calm whenever I am having like a stressful day. For the last fact number 20, I am going to be giving you guys one of my pet peeves. I'm not a big fan of people being rude for no reason. I think that I don't have many pet peeves, but I guess one of them is when people are rude for no reason. Being happy and just, you know, extending that happiness to other people really can make a positive impact on other people. So whenever I see people just like bashing or being rude for no reason, it literally makes me so mad. I have been working for customer service since I was 15, 7 years, and like I can't even tell you guys how many times I've been in situations where a customer is like rude for no reason. It's made me realize a lot. It's made me realize what I don't want to do. So if you're ever around me and I see you being rude to someone else, I will call you out. That is basically it for the 20 facts about me. I hope you guys feel like you guys know me in a little more of a personal level now. Moving on, I am going to be showing you guys what I got yesterday because it's still in the bags, and I'm very excited to show you guys. So I have Burlington Forever 21 and pink. So I'll show you guys Burlington first. Burlington is kind of like a TJ Maxx or like a Ross, for those of you who don't know. I basically got, it's like a Nike running sweater, like you just kind of throw it over. I love it. I really do need more like workout gear since I'm gonna be working out outside and stuff, since everything's closed again. Really happy with it. And what's crazy is that this is $120. I got this for $12.99. How crazy is that? I'm super excited to like wear it and test it out. Super cute. That is item number 1. Next, honestly, this is like, I love going to Victoria's Secret around like the end of the year, the beginning of the year, because they always have the end of the year annual sale. If you're a girl, you know how expensive it is to spend that much money on bras and underwear. I love going towards this year and just getting like basics that I know I'm gonna need throughout the year. I got this tan bra because you just like always need a tan bra. And then I have this black one. So I bought these 2 basics. It was 2 for $52, which is like totally worth it. So I mean, I got like $11 or $12 off each of them. Got these two, and then I got these fresh vanilla body mist and body lotion. I fell in love with the way these smell. I love the smell of vanilla. It's like my favorite. Usually I go for warm and comfy. It's the pink one with the polka dots. I always get that because it's like my favorite go-to after a shower. But I decided to try something new and I am very happy about it. It smells so good. Love that. For undies, I love these like cheeksters. They're like seriously so freaking comfy. I have so many of these. This was my first pair. It was like 5 pairs for $20. I got these red ones, which I thought was like really cute. This is like a cheeky thong. I love the seamless feel. It's so comfy on your body. I got these for like period panties because I hate wearing like a good pair of panties. Me and my best friend actually got matching period underwear, so the little things in life. These are basically like period undies too. Maybe not just because they're white, but they're just really comfy lounging undies. And then I got, it's just like the red one, but it's lavender. Got these 5 pairs for 20 bucks. Definitely really happy about it. Now for Forever 21. So I got 3 different things. They're all like the same thing. So I got these bodysuits. They're like super cute and you can literally wear these like tucked into your jeans or like with a skirt or like some shorts, whatever. Yeah, I love bodysuits like this, especially some that like are long sleeve. They're my favorite. These are usually $12, but I got them for $5. So I seriously got this one and I got a black one and I got a green one. But yeah, that was basically it for Forever 21. Oh, and then I also got these little earrings at Aeropostale. They are so adorable. I am allergic to like fake jewelry like this when it comes to my ears. I probably will wear these for like an hour or 2 if I go out to eat, but yeah, I thought they were really cute. I don't usually buy jewelry like that, but I liked it, so I got it. So that was it for this week's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I just wanted to start sharing who I am a little bit more with you guys and telling you guys more about me. I feel closer to you guys already. As always, comment, like, and subscribe if you guys like this video. I will be seeing you guys this Sunday with another video. I am super excited about this week's video, by the way, on Sunday, so make sure you guys turn the post notifications on so you guys get notified when I drop my video because you guys won't want to miss it. Until next time, guys, bye.